In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Google Gemini AI app on your Windows PC or laptop. This step-by-step guide will help you set everything up quickly so you can start using Google Gemini like a regular desktop app. To begin, open any web browser on your Windows device. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Any of them will work. Once the browser opens, go to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. After the search results load, look for the official Google Gemini website. It should appear near the top of the results and clearly be from Google. Click on it to open the Gemini page. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account, as this helps with personalization and smooth access to the app. Once you're on the Google Gemini website, you don't need to download a traditional installer. Instead, you can install it as a desktop app directly from your browser. If you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, go to the top right corner of the browser and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From this menu, scroll down until you find the option that says Install Page as App or Install Google Gemini. Click on it, and a small confirmation window will appear. Simply click Install to continue. After a few seconds, Google Gemini will be installed on your Windows PC as a standalone app. You can now find it in your Start menu or on your desktop, just like any other application. Open it once to make sure everything is working properly. That's it. You've successfully installed Google Gemini on your Windows computer. You can now use it anytime without opening a browser tab. Take some time to explore its features and customize your settings to get the most out of the AI experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.